Hey, how you doing, everybody? Just wanted to give you an update on what we've been doing in class in math. Fractions and telling time. So, a quick thing about how I've been teaching telling time in first grade is this. When you look at a clock that looks like this, which we call an analog clock, that's right, analog, you always look at the hour hand, because that will help you estimate what time it is. And that's the most important thing about life, is getting close to a good estimate about what time it is. So for example, it's between 11 and 12 when I look at the hour hand here. I'm obviously not going to be looking at the ticking second hand, because that isn't the most helpful when I want to know what hour and what minute it is. That's just second hand. So when I look at this, the hour hand, the short hand, 2 o'clock. When I look at this, I look at the hour hand, it's between 3 and 4 o'clock, or we can say 3 o'clock. Let me write that down. 3 o'clock. Another way that we've been learning how to write 3 o'clock is 3:30. So in first grade, we only want to be learning how to tell time to the hour and to the half hour. Next year, we'll learn how to tell time more exactly. Or you can teach your child that on your own. But this is pretty good. I look at the hour hand, it's pointing straight at the 5 o'clock. Or, instead of writing, I can say 5 o'clock. And don't forget the colon. So again, in first grade, we've been learning how to tell time to the hour and to the half hour, and the way I'm teaching it is always look at the hour hand, because it tells you a lot about what time it is. It'll help you estimate pretty closely. For example, the hour hand, between the 7 and the 8, you gotta look at the small number. So it's between 7 and 8 o'clock, or 7 o'clock. Or I could say 7:30. 7:30. So that's pretty much what we've been learning in class, is about how to tell time to the hour and to the half hour. And you can ask your first grade child to always estimate, well, what time it is. What time is it? And you can look at a clock and you can be like, oh, it's almost 5. Or, oh, it's between 4 and 5. But look at the hour hand, it gives you a lot of information. All right, hope that's a helpful tip about how telling time in first grade is taught here at B&S. Over and out.